How to change Yahoo to Google Chrome. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. And a lot of people struggle with this. So I have currently set it to Yahoo and a lot of people just don't really like it like I do. Like I just want to have Google Chrome. So let's say I would search for Instagram real quick, and then you can see over here it is now set to Yahoo, and this is just what I don't want at all. So in order to actually fix this, super easy to do. You just want to add a new page or a new tab, and then click on the top right on these three dots right over there, and you want to go ahead and click on settings. So if you click on settings right over there, you can now see your Google account, as you can tell. And then on the left, you have a bunch of different options. So here you have the search engine, and that is where you want to go. So not the default browser, but the actual search engine. So if you click on there, you can see that it is now set to Yahoo. So if I want to set it to anything else, I can do that here, but I just want to switch it back to Google. And that's actually super easy to do. So then I can just open up a new tab, and it's already set to Google. As you can see, you can see the Google icon over there. And if I now search for Instagram, just like that, it is now still on Yahoo, which is not what I wanted. But if I, for example, just close this browser, open it up again, and then I search for YouTube. Jeez, I can't even type. But then you can see that I'm back in Google again. So that's great. That's exactly what we want. I hope this very quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.